Fight School, what's going on, you guys? Hope this video finds you good. Guys, today we're going to correct the problem, you guys, when you're holding mitts, right? Or you got a new fighter, or maybe you just kind of are new to holding mitts for other fighters. You know, you want to help out in the gym, whatever it might be, guys. Try not to stuff, this happens a lot in especially MMA, but try not to stuff your partner's punches. Today we're gonna work on it. I'm gonna stand a little bit farther back from Danielle as she throws her punches. I'm gonna make sure that even if it's just a jab, that it's nice and long, right? Versus short arming it, because when we practice this in the gym and we go and do it in competition or in sparring, it's super ineffective. Sometimes a lot of the case, we have to worry about our jiu-jitsu, our wrestling, our grappling and clinching. We forget about the very basics of striking, and that's A1, guys. Keep your punches real long. That's number one. And number two, when we start to add punches to that, we want to make sure when we throw that lead hook that we're gauging the distance of the target versus the hook. It could change in an instant. These two are long punches. This one's even longer than the jab, actually. But this hook, I might need to adjust it. Maybe I missed the cross, or maybe they blocked it, but I'm still coming back with my hook. Maybe it's far. Maybe I take a step back and throw it short, or maybe they duck and that hook becomes kind of a shovel punch or an up hook. We work on it today, guys, because it doesn't matter what the situation is. We come ready, we stay frosty. We have weapons for all occasions. In the ring, in the gym. Let's try it. Me and Danielle are here. We're gonna do a little training. I'm gonna hold mitts for Danielle. There's ways that I wanna hold for her to make her better. She's a southpaw, she's gonna give me a jab. I'm gonna make her reach for a jab. I'm not gonna stuff her, right? When you're holding mitts, I don't wanna stuff her. Look at her short arm and her jab. If she jabs me in the face, that's not gonna do anything. Now, if I'm stupid and I wait for her and she gives me a full extension, that's just gonna hurt. So I hold mitts to emphasize that. There we go. And we find a rhythm. Even if I give her the old 1-2, I make her reach. 1, 2, 3, same thing. I'm working her hook, her right hook. I'm gonna change the angle of the hook. Could be far, could be close. She's gonna keep her eyes open. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Far, close. It's a better way to hold mitts. Thanks. So that was good work. As you can see, we changed the angle to make Danielle, you guys make your partners work. Hey, we're in the gym, guys. We need to get better, which means we work. We don't mindlessly hold pads. I don't hold mitts and start looking away, you know? No, I need to be engaged. If I'm able to look away, I'm not challenging my partner, I'm not challenging my fighters, guys. Stay in the business, stay in the pocket. Don't stuff, try not to stuff your punches, your partner's punches, your fighter's punches long, right? When we develop that skill, then we can start doing it short and long. But first we need to practice at the optimum distance. Practice, Fight School, I will see you soon. Good luck.